Wondering how to create a new document in Microsoft Word? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a new document in Microsoft Word in less than 30 seconds. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word from the Start menu on the desktop. When Microsoft Word opens, you will see the home page screen. To create a new document in Microsoft Word, simply click Blank Document. If you are already editing another file, click File and then click New and then choose Blank Document. This is the fastest way to create a new document in Microsoft Word. Your new Microsoft Word is now ready. You can start typing, formatting your text, insert pictures, and save your document whenever you want. That's how to create a new document in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to Hello Helper and watch our other Microsoft Word tutorial for more beginners friendly guide. So friend, thank you for watching.